Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring the earbuds and case have enough charge. Low battery can interrupt a reset. Once charged, take the buds out, power them off by holding the stem for 5-7 seconds, and place them in the case. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and any active connections to the Bullet's Wireless Z2 are forgotten. Once done, keep the case open so the earbuds are accessible. This prepares the device for the full reset process. Now perform the actual factory reset. With the case lid open, press and hold the pairing button on the case for around 10-15 seconds. You'll see the LED flash in a specific pattern indicating the reset is happening. Hold steady, do not release early, because the device clears stored pairings during this time. After the LED shows the reset pattern, remove the buds from the case and reinsert them to reboot the system, making sure the earbuds initialize freshly for pairing. With the earbuds reset and initialized, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and choose Bullet's Wireless Z2 from the list to pair. You should hear a voice prompt or see a steady LED confirming the connection. If the device doesn't appear, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and make sure no other device is intercepting the signal. If pairing repeatedly fails, perform the factory reset one more time and test with another phone to isolate whether the phone or the earbuds are causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.